In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Teamviewer account. Whether you're looking to declutter your digital life or simply no longer need Teamviewer services, this straightforward process will guide you through it in just 5 minutes, making it quick and hassle-free. First things first, you'll need to launch your preferred web browser on either your computer or mobile device. Type Teamviewer into the search bar and hit Enter. This should present you with various search results, but you'll want to select the official Teamviewer website to proceed. If you're new to browsing, or perhaps need a refresher, remember that the official website usually appears at the top of the search results and often has the most reliable link. Once on the Teamviewer site, your next step is to log into your account. You have a couple of options here. You can enter your email and password or use Single Sign-On, SSO, if that's how you initially set up your account. Make sure you have access to your login credentials beforehand so you don't hit any snags along the way. After successfully logging in, direct your gaze towards the top right corner of the Teamviewer window. Here, you'll notice a small gear icon, a universally recognized symbol for settings. Clicking on this gear icon will open the settings menu, offering a range of options customized to help you manage your account. In this settings menu, locate and click on the Account section. It might take a moment as you scan through various other settings, but rest assured it's there waiting for you. This section houses all the essential details related to your Teamviewer account and where you'll make the significant changes required to delete your account. Now, glance to the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the crucial Delete Account section. Within this area, locate the Delete button. It's typically well marked, but always worth double-checking to ensure you're not clicking on anything inadvertently. Clicking on the Delete button will prompt one final step. You'll be asked to confirm your decision. This extra measure is in place to ensure there are no mistaken clicks leading to accidental account deletions. You'll need to click Delete once more. This second click is crucial as it finalizes your decision and permanently removes your Teamviewer account. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. By following these steps attentively, your account will be closed and deleted, cleansing your digital footprint of Teamviewer. If you wish to use Teamviewer services again in the future, you'll have to create a new account. Hopefully, this guide was helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.